guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching for the very first time, hi, my name is Arpita और मैं हूँ एक ब्यूटी फैशन लाइफस्टाइल कंटेंट क्रिएटर और आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ मार्स का क्वीन ऑफ मैट्स का डिटेल्ड रिव्यू। मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ, स्वॉच करने वाली हूँ एंड आई लेट यू नो वेदर दिस प्रोडक्ट इज एक्चुअली वर्थ द हाइप और नॉट। सो इफ यू वांट टू नो कि प्रोडक्ट कैसा है देन कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड इफ यू न्यू टू माय चैनल देन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब and hit the little bell icon to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. बहुत दिनों बाद कोई लिपस्टिक रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक एंड इट इज कॉल्ड द मार्स क्वीन ऑफ मैट्स एंड द शेड दैट आई हैव विद मी इज कॉल्ड द ऑलराउंडर, व्हिच मींस इसमें आपको पिंक भी मिलेगा, ब्राउन भी मिलेगा और न्यूड भी मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली दिस प्रोडक्ट हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड इन 6 डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स और एक पैक में आपको 3 डिफरेंट लिपस्टिक मिल जाता है. आप इन लिपस्टिक को सिंगल पीस में नहीं खरीद सकते, यू हैव टू परचेज द सेट. This set is $499 on whether Amazon, Nykaa or even on Flipkart. So I was pretty excited क्योंकि मुझे कोई एक टोन के लिपस्टिक ट्राई करने नहीं थे क्योंकि उनके जो रेंज में ब्राउन वाला जो पैक है उसमें तीनों ही आपको ब्राउन टोन का मिलेगा. आई थिंक एक प्लम है. तो आई विल मेंशन डाउन द शेड रेंज ऑन द स्क्रीन कि क्या क्या शेड आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो इस पर्टिकुलर रेंज से. सो नाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट क्लेम टू हैव विटामिन ई, jojoba ऑयल, कोको बटर. दिस इज paraben free and petroleum free as well as vegan. So when it says it has cocoa butter, that means it will be nourishing or moisturizing on your lips, and it has jojoba oil. It is also a very famous ingredient for nourishment and moisturization. It also has vitamin E जो कि आपके lips को protect करेगा from getting it darkened. So you will open the packet, you can see here आपको एक मैसेज मिल जाएगा which is called the crown yourself in color, and this is what the 3 different shade looks like. I am pretty excited to try each of these shades because when it comes to lipstick I am genuinely a big fan of Mars, be it their lip tints, be it their crayons, be it their any sort of liquid lipstick. I love it all. So I am very excited. Now let's talk about the USP of the product. This is intensely pigmented, smooth matte finish as well as long lasting comfort. So me being someone जिसको liquid lipstick उतना पसंद नहीं है, I will see कि how it is looking on my lips as well as कि ये कितना comforting है. I know that liquid lipsticks look very pretty but they are not very comforting. It makes my lips dry, chapped and all that. So I always put gloss even if I am putting on any liquid lipstick. Right now जो मैं शेड पहनी हूँ वो एक नॉर्मल क्रीमी मैट लिपस्टिक का था, but I have applied gloss on the top of it because that's how I like it. So now we have talked a lot about the packaging, pricing. Now let's quickly move on with the swatches. First shade that I'll be trying is called 16 Rosewood and this is a typical nude shade. Well, I am a bit skeptical while trying this product क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा light लग रहा है मेरे skin tone के comparison में, and I just feel कि ये मुझे wash out ना कर दे, but I definitely feel कि थोड़ा सा subtle मैं इसको कर सकती हूँ. And honestly it looks very gorgeous to me. मतलब थोड़ा सा subtle भी है, warm भी है, मतलब wash out तो definitely नहीं करेगा. So after the first swatch, this is how my lips look like and it feels honestly pretty lightweight on my lips. लेकिन इसका pigmentation मुझे थोड़ा सा कम लगा comparing to any other Mars का lip product. I have to apply one more coat क्योंकि मेरा जो lips है ना that's pretty pigmented honestly. तो उसको cover up करने के लिए मुझे usually जो थोड़ा सा light pigmented product होता है 2 layer apply करना पड़ता है just to get the best out of it. So I will apply one more layer onto my lips and see how it looks. Let's quickly do a kiss test. Now moving on to the next shade, which is this gorgeous pink shade, and it is called the Royal Aura. So this is what my lips look like after the first application, and as I mentioned कि last shade में भी मुझे 2 कोट लगाना पड़ा था क्योंकि first application में ना मेरा lips का जो अंदर वाला portion है it's still visible, मे बी कैमरा में उतना नहीं आ रहा है but अगर सामने से मैं देख रही हूँ so my lips are like a bit see through in this lipstick. Last but not least, we have this dark brown shade. This is called the 18 Power Gleam, and we are going to try this out. I am very, skeptical because this is definitely not something that I put on in a regular basis. This is what the third shade looks like. I know this is not going with the eye look and everything, but if I have to talk about the pigmentation and stuff, बाकी दोनों के comparison में इसका pigmentation मुझे थोड़ा सा thick लगा. एक swatch में ही this is doing the job. Maybe because the color is dark, so that can be the case as well. So my final verdict on this particular product is कि product तो अच्छा है, it's not that bad. But of course you cannot expect too much from it because obviously the price point is there. So this can be a perfect gifting option. अभी राखी आ रहा है, and if your sister is someone जो कि थोड़ा सा makeup या all this में interested है, so you can definitely gift this, तो वो याद भी रखेगी. And honestly the product quality is out of 5 मैं 3.5 rate करूँगी क्योंकि I am not a big fan of liquid lipstick. Yes, the products are hydrating, but it's not as much as I expected it from it क्योंकि it claimed to be highly pigmented product, but the pigmentation was definitely missing. So yeah guys, this was my final verdict, and I really hope you guys like this video and find it helpful, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. And if you want to get your hands on this particular product, तो description box में आपको product का link definitely मिल जाएगा. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.